Okay, today I have just a very quick tutorial for you on how to work the left twist and right twist cable crosses. As you can see, this is the right twist, twist to the right. This is the left twist, twist to the left. You could work these the traditional way with the cable needle, but it's actually much faster and easier if you use this technique. It will help speed up your knitting a little bit and give you one less tool to try to keep track of while you're knitting, because I know I'm always losing my yarn needles, stitch markers. I don't need to be losing a cable needle too. Okay, so first step, I'm just going to work to the stitches. Okay, so here are the two stitches that we want to cross. So I'm going to knit into the two stitches as if I'm going to knit them together. But then I'm going to leave them on the needle and knit into just the first stitch again. And then drop them both. Pretty easy, right? That's really all you have to do for the right twist. The left twist is similar. Maybe you might find it a little more fiddly, but still very easy to work. So I'm going to work to the two stitches that I want to twist. And this time, first, I'm going to knit into the back of the second stitch. So I'm going to turn my work to the back and knit into the back of the second stitch. Then again, I'm going to leave the stitches on the needle and I'm going to knit into the first stitch again. And then drop both. And that's really it. Just quickly work to the end of the row here so we can take a look at how the crosses look. So now you can see here we've got one stitch crossed over the other, and here we have one stitch crossing over the other. And that's it. That's all you have to do for your left twists and right twists. No cable needle required.